In this video, you'll learn how to add the Aptos network to your Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you'll be able to interact with the Aptos blockchain directly from your wallet. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This will serve as your starting point for accessing the Trust Wallet extension. Once the Google homepage loads, you will see the search bar prominently displayed. Next, enter Trust Wallet extension into the search bar. After typing this, press the Enter key on your keyboard. The search results will appear, showing various links related to the Trust Wallet extension. Locate the official Trust Wallet extension link in the search results and click on it. This action will redirect you to the Trust Wallet extension page, where you can install or access the wallet directly. After accessing the Trust Wallet extension, look for the Fund option on the interface. This option is typically located in the main menu. Click on Fund to proceed to the next step. Once you have clicked on Fund, you will see several options related to funding your wallet. Find and click on the Buy Crypto button. This will take you to the section where you can purchase various cryptocurrencies. Now, in the Crypto Purchase section, find the search bar that allows you to search for specific cryptocurrencies. Click on this search bar and type in Aptos. Ensure that you spell it correctly to find the right cryptocurrency. After typing Aptos, a list of results will appear. Click on the option for Aptos to select it. This action will bring you to the Aptos purchase page with details about the cryptocurrency. Next, you will see a Continue button. Click on this button to proceed with the purchase process. You may need to review the purchase details before confirming your transaction. Upon successful completion of your purchase, a confirmation message will appear indicating that you have successfully bought Aptos. This confirmation is crucial as it verifies the transaction in your Trust Wallet. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.